Hi guys, school zones are not simply a school zone. If you are appearing for the driving test, I will be showing you what all mistakes people are doing in the school zone. And welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. I will be showing you the different mistakes people are doing while giving the driving test in the school zone. So the number one mistake is that sometimes the school zone signboard is hidden behind the bushes or any trees, so it will be sometime people they don't notice that there is a school zone. So when there is a school zone, you must slow down and maintain the speed 40 kilometer, and this is the number one mistake. Not all the school zone has flashing lights, so sometimes people are not careful, so you must keep in mind the timing. So every school has a different timing. Some of the suburbs have a different time zone, so like in this one it is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this is the school zone timing. Many times people get confused. So school zone is started, let's say 8:01, you are giving the test, then you fail, or if it is like 3:59 p.m. and you think that the school zone is over, then also you fail in the driving test. So must be careful regarding the timing. There is no harm even if it is 4:01. Even if you are driving at 40 at 4:01 p.m., you will not be called as a failed in the driving test. So must observe the school zone timing. This is the second mistake. So the school zone is on. Mistake number three is there is a double lane. So if you are driving on that lane, you will be failed in the driving test. That is lane mistake number three. And as you can see, there is a zigzag line, which means there are pedestrians around. So if you are not careful, that will be called as a mistake number four. And now there is a hump as well as a pedestrian crossing, so the speed will be 25 kilometer here, so that is mistake number 5. And there will be sometime the traffic controller, if you don't observe the traffic controller sign, then also you will be failed in the driving test. And another mistake is people feel that the school zone is over, but it is not over. So make sure that you see the end sign, school zone signboard. So people, if you are driving and school zone is still on, sometimes the school zone is very long. So if you speed over 40 and the school zone is still on, then also you will fail in the driving test. So I hope guys you are clear about the different mistakes people are making in the school zone driving, and don't do that mistake, and hopefully you will get the driving test in one go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.